you're a CNC machinist in a sliding head world, Richard is about to save you a lot of bother. So this is for a sliding head lathe in a sub-spindle presumably, and you're going to save time and money.
Indeed. Hi Joe. We have here the MASA Microconic system. In truth, it's probably the most revolutionary new sub-spindle collet system that's been developed in probably for many years. The concept behind this is to overcome the problems of small component clamping on sub-spindles. The big problem with sub-spindle clamping on small parts is that often you need an extended nose collet. Our users are very familiar with extended nose collets and the problems they cause. MASA have developed a system where they replace the principal collet that you have with a cartridge which stays in the machine, and they then use the extension on the cartridge to allow a new location for a smaller collet. But the most important thing about the collet is that it is extremely accurate. It allows a concentricity of up to 5 microns maximum.
Yeah, just seeing a clocking one in here. Well, just changed on the video, but the clocking it on, yeah, it was less than a micron.
Yeah.
So really, in a sub-spindles, I know that you can knife and fork better results, but typically you're expecting what, 10, 15, maybe even 20 microns in the sub-spindle?
Certainly with using a sub-spindle with an extended nose, and I've known many customers who try to make it as long as possible, it gets worse the longer the extended nose is and the accuracy diminishes. So we need to move the clamping position further forward, which is what the MASA system does. The MASA system is designed to be able to adjust the pressure of the clamping at the same time. So not only do you have the accuracy, you have the right clamping pressure so you don't damage the parts.
And I understand over clamping is possible as well.
Indeed. Within this design, what this system gives is the possibility to use an overgripping collet, which opens much more than a standard overgrip that we've classically known with a 2-cone system. This will clamp up to over four times bigger than the diameter you're clamping on. So for small components like these here, with this type of system, it is far better than the one we have now because it maintains its accuracy. And that's the key to this system.
So this obviously lends itself, smaller the component the better presumably for this, but is there any particular components or industry sectors that are embracing this more than others?
Clearly medical, dental areas, any application where they have small component, more importantly the precision, because the most important thing is once the cartridge is in the machine, which is clocked in professionally and accurately, these maintain a repeatability of, as we just saw, between 2 and 5 microns consistently throughout production.
And I know there's a video how we actually put this together, and we'll put the video in the notes below this. So if you want to actually see this in action, click on the link below and you'll see more information. But this is available from you guys at Floyd Automatic again.
Yes, indeed. Thank you very much.